Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites quickly, JDK 17 or newer and a code editor. Once installed, set Java Home and add Java to path so tools find the runtime. Next, open your IDE and create a new project with a single main. Java file, type a minimal main method, and run hello world to verify execution. This first run proves your environment works and gives immediate feedback, so you avoid setup roadblocks and focus on learning core language features. Once your environment runs code, move into essential concepts: variables, primitives versus objects, arrays, and collections like list and map. Make sure to practice control flow, if switch for and while loops, and exception handling with try-catch so you know how programs behave under error. Implement small exercises, a command line calculator, reading and writing a file, and processing lists. These concrete tasks teach you how APIs and types interact, and they reveal common pitfalls like nulls and index errors. To finish, solidify habits. Write unit tests with JUnit and refactor code for clarity and small methods. Use the debugger and logging to step through execution, and read stack traces to pinpoint exceptions. Learn basic design, encapsulation, interfaces, and simple solid ideas so your code scales. If something fails, first reproduce the bug, check logs and stack traces, then use breakpoints to inspect state. This approach gets you from working scripts to maintainable Java code quickly and reliably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.